All right. Good morning, people. This is Chef Olive, Kitchen on Fire. And I'm going to show you a really cool avocado chocolate mousse. So I do that for people who have diabetes, cancer. We do a lot of cancer food. And this is one of my favorite food for cancer. Okay. And don't mind the date. The date is for a sweetener because the cocoa is 100%. The date, you can put 3 to 5. Good sugar. Sugar is not good, but we're going to put so much avocado and so much cream in there that I'm going to put I like 5. If you have cancer or if you're diabetic, you can put 3. Okay. Now, this is not very strong. It's not too, it's not too bad. It's actually a good food. You can't eat too much sugar, but this is going to be great. So the way I'm going to pit those, I use my hand. I don't use a knife. This is no way that's going to, okay? So the best way to do is really literally that use. I got the medjool date because they're really good, right? They're a little pricey, but that's what you get. You get good food. And I'm just going to peel them and put them in a little bowl. So, put those guys in my hand, put them out, and I have 3 tablespoons of, maybe a little more, 4 tablespoons of cocoa. This is really good stuff. Coconut oil, coconut fat. Cocoa powder, look at the color. Black. It's not black. Actually, it's not black. Deep purple. It's not even brown. Deep purple. It's a bunch of phenolic compound in there, right? The one I get is this guy. So it's very pricey, people. I'm not saying you should get that awesome chocolate. This is Valrhona. This is a French chocolate, Valrhona. This is pricey. Okay? You don't have to get that high, but the better the chocolate is, the much more nutrients and antioxidants you're going to get. Okay, so it's very important. And if it's, just use less. But that's the thing. Good chocolate is super important. I have some real vanilla, not fake, and great avocados. And all you need is put all this in. Okay. I have also nut milk somewhere. I'm going to use cream because I want cream. Now, if you have cancer or diabetic, you can use nut milk. You can use a good little bit of cream. It's fine. Okay, cream is really good for me. I like cream. So I'll put that later. All right. So it's super easy. What you do is this: put that in there. Put all your stuff. Your avocados, I'm going to show you how to cut them. Then I'm going to go get my cream in the fridge, which I forgot. It's in the fridge. And this is how we get the avocado. Okay? All right, here we go. Blade does not move. Avocado moves, look. See that? Cool. Okay? Woo! Nice. Next. Boom. Go slow. All right. Ooh, nice. Okay. Now how do we do this? Okay. Boom. Out. And then you can put that and peel. What you have to do. Just like that. Peel it. Good. So I'm going to go like this. Go in the blender. So it's pretty. And you get all the stuff. You can use a spoon if you want to, right? Use my fingers. Okay. If there's any brown stuff, just remove the brown stuff. Okay. It's pretty. Go in there. Really good fat. Avocados are fantastic good food. It's a really good snack. The reason I'm doing that avocado mousse like this. This is something you can eat pretty much without too much restriction. There's so little sugar. See, it's all fat and nutrients. That's why I like this. That's why I put, this is kind of the dessert, right? Not very sweet. It's super awesome. Tastes really good. First of all, make sure you don't put that pit, that little hard part of the avocado. And make sure you get that green part. The green, dark green is your beta carotene. You want to, You can eat it, do whatever you want. You can also go in there and just, okay, whatever you want, easy. You can do your spoon, cut it in half. What I don't want you to do, put your knife in there. No, no, no. No knife in your hand, except when you slice, okay? So it's a mess. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna wash my hand, people. Why? Because it's slippery. I'm gonna start to like, I can't have slippery. So I'm gonna go and wash my hand right now, okay? All right, hands clean. Now I can pick up all this. I don't want my knife to be slippery. That's what kind of like I'm always worried about avocado. That blade is super slippery. I'm gonna clean that up right away. Okay, and then I can keep going with my stuff, right? Great. Okay, now we're back. All right, what else goes in there? My coconut. Ooh, you know it's gonna be good, huh? Yeah, I know. All right. Cocoa. Vanilla. Drop. Vanilla is good food. I mean, it's good food. It's superfood. It's also used, it's an anti-anxiety. Right. And I'm going to put cinnamon. Now, you can put cinnamon, ginger. You can also do a blend that I have. See, this is my blend that I make here. There's a bunch of stuff in there. See? I have cinnamon, citrus, cardamom. Ooh, cardamom, really good. Lime zest, ginger, and nutmeg. Oh, that's going to be good. Right. So I'm going to put a little bit. You guys, I don't measure stuff. I don't like measure. Those are very, very high antioxidants. Lots of antioxidants. This is very high nutritive, okay? And it's a really cool dessert, not sweet. So this is why I'm saying you can eat that as much as you want, kind of. Really. It's like it's just fat. I don't eat carbs with that. Now I'm going to go get my cream. Done. All right, my cream. I'm going to show you what I buy. So this is my cream that I have. Special cream, really cool. This is local. You can see that A2, when you see number A2, casein. It's a casein that is non-inflammatory, much easier to digest. So otherwise, I would not put cream. I would put coconut milk. I can do oat milk. What else I like? I like oat milk. I like hemp milk and coconut milk. That's it. Nothing else. I don't like rice milk or soy. Ugh. Okay. Cream goes for me. Cream, right? Good cream. Ooh, oh. Ooh, yeah. Noise. All right, guys. So the trick now, everything is, and the blade might just pop up. So when you go in there, just go and hold that blade. You know what I mean? Until there you go. Otherwise, the thing is all coming out, right? This is my wet towel. You see how convenient that is? Cool. And that's it. Ooh, salt. So, I like salt, people. I like salt. And cayenne, not too much. Not big on cayenne, but salt a little bit, always. This is my sea salt. Half a teaspoon. I like salt, so you guys don't have to do that, but for me, it's really, really good. It's going to bring all the cocoa and all the beautiful stuff in there. Alrighty. And here we go. It's going to be a while, okay? So I'm going to let it swing. I'm going to get a nice, pretty bowl. Bowl in there. Oh. Pretty bitter. I put a lot of cocoa. Huh? Now, I'm going to put one more. All right, I'm going to. Let's put one more major date. Okay, one or two, whatever you want. The cocoa I've been using, guys, is really bitter. Okay? It's 100% cocoa. It's really bitter. And I'm going to put some more cream. Good. So it's going to take a little while. Make sure you, again, we go very carefully here. There you go. Done. Right. Little cream, so it's easy. Boom. Better. There you go. I have little chocolate to make a little chocolate shape. You can get a little grinder, little grater, right? Little chocolate on top. Ooh, nice. So I'm going to wait now. I'm going to do this thing. The dates are going to take some time. The dates just, takes a while. See what's happening. Let's see if there's no pit in there. Maybe I forgot the pit. No. Trying to see if I forgot a pit or something. No, doesn't. Dates are hard to go in the blender, people. Okay, so don't worry too much. That's the way it is. Nope. More. You get to do that when you make the mousse, right? All right. We'll let it go. It'll be a while, okay? It'll be super smooth, beautiful, and then we'll serve it. Awesome. All right. Okay, people, this is it. Done. Pretty cool, huh? All right. For you. It's really nice. Beautiful. Oh. That will keep very well, people, by the way. Keeps really well. For at least a week, no problem. Okay? So look at this thing, right? Let's add some cocoa. Oh, yeah. Cool. Wow. a touch of cream if I wanted to, right? I like cream. You gathered that, right? Look how it is. Ooh. Yeah, good. Try this. Wow, really good. Okay, this is really, really good. Now, this is a very, very healthy chocolate mousse. Okay? Has avocados, very good fat. Cocoa, so pure cocoa, obviously. The more cocoa, the better it is, right? At least 70 to 80%. And then coconut oil, coconut butter, coconut oil, whatever you call that. Right? Super good, very good for your brain. It's excellent food. Salt, it makes me taste the dates. Dates is really good. It's a good sugar. Okay, it's a good sugar switch. I would not put sugar, obviously. And then spices, so cinnamon, right? Good for diabetic. Chocolate is actually good also because it's a lot of antioxidants. So this is a really good, really, really good avocado mousse. And I'm going to keep eating that. I'm going to try again, right? Woo! Oh yeah, this is really nice. Good job, people. Nice. Oh yeah. That's